Stir Fry Squid with lemongrass and ginger. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time a recipe for you seafood lovers. Today I'm making this stir fry squid with Singapore style sauce and it's really delicious. So let's dive into the ingredients. First, of course, is squid. I'm using frozen squid leftover from when we made calamari, but it's better to use fresh squid if you can get it. Try an Asian store or local seafood market. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So for the spice blend, I'm using ginger, garlic, and onion. We only use half and keep the other half for the sauce. And then we need chopped bell pepper, Kaffir lime leaf, and lemongrass. We will also need oyster sauce and ketchup. For that extra zing of spiciness, I will use Sriracha and some chili paste. Combine the onion, ginger, garlic, and make a paste. And you can add fresh chilies if you like it super spicy. Next, pound the lemongrass to make it more fragrant and chop the onion. Next, prepare hot oil to quick fry the squid. A quick note on cooking the squid. You can saute the squid right away, but I like to quick fry for 1 to 2 minutes. They can get rubbery if you fry longer. This way, when you cook it with the sauce, the squid won't get soggy or release any more liquid, which dilutes the flavor of the sauce. Also, it can ruin the squid's texture. Now, let's prepare the sauce by stir-frying the spice paste. Cook it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, then add the chopped onion, the Kaffir lime leaf, and lemongrass. Next, add salt, sugar, black pepper, tomato sauce, and oyster sauce. Lastly, if you want spicy, add the Sriracha or any chili paste and then mix well together. Once they start to cook, add some bell pepper and the squid. Now, if you like more liquid, you can add a little bit of water. And then, once you have reached the desired thickness, taste the sauce. Season the sauce with more sugar and salt or chili paste to your taste. Now we're ready to plate. Here it is, spicy stir fry squid in Singapore style with lemongrass and ginger sauce. give it a try at home and share your result with me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. See you in the next video.